This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust the mouse pointer size in the openSUSE operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your mouse pointer size, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go down to that little gear wheel, and I'm going to click on that little gear wheel. That will open up Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll all the way down toward the bottom to where you see it says Accessibility. Click on Accessibility. Then on the center pane, right up top here, you see it says Seeing. You want to click on Seeing. Then right down here, Cursor Size. You want to click on Cursor Size. It gives you these options right here. As you can see, this is the one that I have right here, but you could choose the biggest, or you could choose any one of these sizes. That is how to change your mouse pointer size in the openSUSE operating system. Thanks for watching.